How does the butterfly sleeves turn out? Like this, with the lower part longer than the shoulder area, and then you're seeing the wrong side underneath. Would you have preferred it turned out like this? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this umbrella effect with just a simple trick. Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and if you would like to keep getting simple tricks like this to make your sewing easier, do hit the subscribe button and like this video already. So let's get into it. First, fold your fabric into 4 like so, since we are cutting a circle. The length of the fold should be your desired sleeve length. Give it a good press to remove the wrinkles. Here I am trying to get the length of my sleeves, after which I'm going to cut it out, just all that I need for these projects. Fine. So this is the folded square I need just for this project, so that it will be easier for me to work with. I'm sure you can see that I intentionally opened it up so that you see what I have done. I'm also pressing it again to do the fold on the right side, so you'll be able to see my chalk line. Placing your tape at the tip of the fold, measure your desired length round the fabric by pivoting your tape around the tip. Cut out the marked line. Now we have our circle, but then this is where the trick comes in. Instead of folding it midway to get our armhole, we'll make sure that 3/4 of this length goes underneath and we only have 1/4 up. This is done to ensure that the lower part, that is the part that comes from the armpit, is shorter than the upper part, the part that flows from the shoulder, so that you don't get to see what comes from under your armpit. Now that we've confirmed our measurements, it's now time for us to mark out our armhole. To get your round armhole, divide your actual round armhole measurement by 6.28. Then pivot your measuring tape from the tip. In this case, my round armhole is 16. Dividing that by 6.28 gives me 2.5. So I'm measuring that 2.5 round that armhole. And then I'm just confirming to be sure that it's correct. After cutting again, I want to be sure it's correct, and then it is. So I have 4 inches around that curve. I don't know if you can see it. And then 4 inches times 4 will give me 16, which is my actual round armhole. And our sleeve is ready. This is how it looks like after attaching it to the armhole. You can see that it is well covered. Will you be trying this? Please comment below if there's any part you do not understand that you want me to provide clarification on. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you would like to keep getting tips like this to make your sewing better. And until I come your way next time, my name is Sarah, and this is Princess Fashion.